6:04. Yeah. A.M. Damn it. June 7th. He barely breathe. 2019. Just dropped Robert off at work. It was Chunky spasm. I was driving and trying to turn the phone and pull over at the same time. God, it just tightens up your whole airway. Like you got punched in the gut. Still feel it. Fuck.